That's a hit. Do it again. That's a hit. There you go. 200 yards. That's one. Try that. Hello everyone, J Delta 22 here, back at Harrison Creek and Gun Club. We're back today with the Cz457 build after the fiasco with the other camera and re-zeroing with the worn one-piece mount. And today we are going to try pistol match, SK pistol match. I heard a lot of good things about this ammo. We're going to test it today. There's the target at 50 yards. Thank you for watching, and let's get shooting. All right, folks. Here we are with SK rifle match. The last time we were here at the range, Harrison Creek and Gun Club, we were re-zeroing the Cz457 build. So today we are trying SK pistol match. 50 yards. Here we go. 2-inch target. Okay, where that landed. So we're gonna go up 4 10s and send another one. Shooting at the 2-inch target.
I left it with the pistol.
There we go. I think we went too high. 2 10s down. Here we go, guys. So we're gonna go down 1/10. Wasn't as high as I thought, and left 2 10s. All right, here we go. That's it.
It's gotta be a 25.
There we go, folks.
I'm gonna watch it.
All right, stand by. Let's send a couple of more rounds down range.
It looks so sick. It's a gorgeous rifle.
Thank you.
It's so weird.
Oh, all right, guys. Maybe this may give the La Pua Center X a run for its money. All right, folks, that's it. Stand by, we'll be right back. I gotta wipe the sweat out of my eyes and the glasses. And then we do 2 10-shot groups on the 1-inch stickies. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. All right, folks, we are back. All right, 10 shots, first sticky, 1 inch, right below the 0 sticky. Maybe a little high there.
I don't believe you.
Oh, there you go. You're shooting a little high.
I don't know. I can't see that well. I don't have a range finder.
All right. Can't see that dot. There we go. All right, folks, stand by. Let me go to about 18 zoomies. There we go. I don't like to shoot at a full zoomie. All right, look like we have one that landed high. There we go.
can't like put all the weight on.
Not so much sweat in my eyebrow. There we go. All right. That's it. Not as close as the La Pua. I don't think so.
Maybe. Hear me out.
We all know, folks. All right, folks, that's 10 rounds. Let's do the second sticky. We're going to do 15 rounds on the second sticky.
Mike, what?
I'm going to adjust one 10th down.
I'll let you have a little bit of fun in a little bit.
Well, I was sitting in the same area. You calm down.
A little low.
You got a camera that'll tell you where that area is? Because I don't even know where the first group went.
There we go. That was a little low. Either or.
You got an Android.
Not too bad. More sweat. All right.
One hit the middle. Now, which one was that? Definitely
In the middle?
yeah, I don't know.
Folks, trying to hurry up. Colorful language to my right.
Yeah.
I hope I didn't come on the audio, but I'm afraid he did. All right, folks, not bad. One got to the left.
I got it.
In my for that one?
All right, folks, that was 10. Stand by. We got one that got away. So we are going to do 6. For the one that got away, we do the first one first. All right, here we are. I'm taking the time, folks. There, I got sweat getting in my eyes. So it's like being on the highway under heavy rain and having your wipers on. Off, I mean. Here we go.
My uncle's supposed to give me like a.
That was that one. The first one we did a minute ago. That was for the one that got out. That's the first one of the other 5. That's 2. That's 3. Look like another one got out. 4.
That was so nice to shoot. After shooting that little baby.
That's 5. All right, folks, that was it. So there you have it. 15 rounds of SK pistol match. Not bad. Not as close as the La Pua. I don't think so. Let's go down range and take a closer look. All right, folks, here we are. This is SK pistol match. I don't know where the first shot. Maybe he came down here with these other ones that I shot today. So that's the first group there, about 9 rounds. Then this here is 10 rounds, and this is 16 rounds. I think 17. They connected, but not as tight as La Pua. But hey, I came down here. I was up 110, and then I came down 110, and it went there. So maybe I need to go back 110. Man, not bad, not bad. Well, there you have it, folks. You guys requested it. You guys suggested it, and here it is. So as always, be safe first, have fun, and God bless. See you on the next one.